Welcome back to another Ozzstar's Today's Fun Project. I'm Glenn. Today we've got an 18 GMC Sierra here. It's got the 5.3 liter and it's not going to be an oil change, but we're going to do an oil filter autopsy. So what I want to do is it just got its first oil change. My man Big Ben's over here dropped the truck off. We took the filter off, changed the oil. Takes 8 quarts if you are doing this yourself. And what did it have? 4,500 miles on it. And I want to see what's going on inside, so let's take a look. So let's cut this sucker open. It's a PF63E is filter that it takes. I'm going to put it in the vise here, clamp it down. I drain the excess oil out of there, and what I do is I use, these are actually pipe cutters here. I'll place this around here. I like to cut them open if I can, the filters with these, because it doesn't leave much metal debris at all. So I just crank down on this handle and I'll be spinning around on this part of the filter until it basically cuts open. There's some teeth in here, just like a pipe cutter. It's the same, that's what it is basically. Okay, I can see the top spinning now. I think I got her now. There it is. Boop. She popped. Okay, now we can start pulling the guts out of here. Let me get you guys a better view. Start pulling this up. Get these little rubber valves and all that stuff there. And what I'll do is I'm going to put it in this white container I've got right beside the vise. If it wants to cooperate and come out, come on out. Oops, splashing all over. All right, there it is. All right, put it right here in this container. And what I'll do now is I'll cut this paper element out and we'll open it up and see what we see. And here's the residual oil in there. Let me pour that in this container. Oops. Oh, and I just see a couple of very small metal particles down the bottom. Nothing at all major. I'm going to cut this open now. Just got a hacksaw. I'm just going to cut the paper element all the way around on both ends, and we'll see what we got. I think we're all the way through now, so I'll slide that off. All right. So that's the internal. And now what we'll do is I'll lay this out on a towel and we'll see what we can see. So let me cut this filter open now. I'll just put one slit in it and we'll see what we got. Okay. Well, so far it looks really clean. Let me get some light here. You guys can check it out a little better. Okay, I do see some minor metallic. I'm not sure you guys are going to be able to see it, but there is some small flakes. Let me zoom in. Some very small flakes in there. Like right here is a couple. This is all normal, so it's not bad. Let me show you the biggest metal that I found in the whole filter here, and it's basically right where my finger is right here. See this right in front of my pointer finger? So that's probably the biggest piece that I did see. There's a bunch of little sparklies, but that's absolutely normal. All right, well, I'm sorry the video wasn't that, well, it was more like anticlimactic than climatic, I guess. Anyway, there wasn't too much in the filter, 4,500 miles, it looked pretty good. The oil was very black, very dark, and it did have a rich fuel smell to it, which is not good. So it's a good idea to change it out, especially that first one. Get things clean in there, and maybe you'll have long engine life in your Chevy Love. So anyway, Chevy Love, I remember those trucks. Anyway, GMC, same thing, right? Anyhow, thanks for stopping by. Do what you do down below. I appreciate the comments and questions, and the thumbs up's always good. And other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.